Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair plummeted 2.4% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street stocks ended higher following a market sell-off in previous sessions, as investors eyed a busy week for quarterly results from key companies that would provide a glimpse of the US economy's health. Demand for the newest Bitcoin investment products is slowing down as the world's first cryptocurrency went through its fourth halving event. Spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds became a benchmark for institutional investments in Bitcoin after launching in January 2024. Tesla is expected to report its lowest gross profit margin in more than 6 years after a chaotic week that included major layoffs, vehicle price cuts, and urgent calls by investors for clarity on product strategy.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Redbook Index will be released at 12:55 GMT. The US new home sales at 14 GMT. The US 2-year note auction at 17 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.